Hi guys, here we are at Sleaford North Level Crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe. Here come the second two. Very slow barriers these are. There we go. Now, about an hour ago since our last train, which was I wasn't here then, when I came around that corner, the barriers were already down, and the train literally just passed as I got over the crossing, so I didn't have enough time to start the video. And I suppose we'll have a train coming through Muskington Station, which is that way, Ralston, Scotwick and Blankney as well. So I'll come over here, and I'll have to keep my eye out for a train coming from that way as well. Still got nothing coming. I can't see any signals around here. And I wasn't here yesterday because we went to Woodall Spa, and my dog Dottie is in the the vet just around the roundabout from here getting clipped. So my dad's gone to watch the Spanish Grand Prix, and I'm at the crossing videoing trains until he comes back. It's Kirk's vet, the one round the roundabout near Crazy Bongos and the Indian restaurant. All these barriers have got 3 lights on them, look. Over there as well. Apart from that one, which is a small one. Very small barrier, that is. Still got nothing just yet. Here we go. It's coming from the siding, from Sleaford Station. Look. Okay. And we have got 153 308 to Lincoln. One 153 376 to Lincoln, and up they go. Up goes the small barrier, look. It's only just a little bit taller than the little silver pole. Thank you, I'll see you in the next video.